Hello, everyone. We are Team One and Done, and this is our project. So we created a feature-rich journal app built with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This app allows you to create notes and folders use Markdown for formatting and manage tasks efficiently. This is our repository right here. This is our single source of truth. Everything in our project, all the ADRs, etc., brainstorming can be found right here. So this is a quick little video introducing us, our team. This is the link for our website. These are the cool features about our website, our brainstorming and design process. Um, this is we use the simple MDE API. Here is our CI/CD pipeline, some of our testing, a link to our wiki. These are some of our known bugs and also our future investigations. So let's check out the wiki. Right here, we have our table of contents and again, some cool features about our website. This is our project structure. The names of all our scripts, CSS, HTML files, as well as our tests, how to contribute to how to contribute to our project. So right here, we could check out the CI/CD pipeline. This is our data storage, and this is our journal page. And these are just the features of the journal page, and this is the features of the task list. So here in the repo, this is our SSOT. You could find everything here, our issue templates, workflow, branding, CSE pipeline, guidelines, all our meeting notes, all the rules we signed at the beginning of the project, our task iterations, the videos we made, all the fonts we used, all our ADRs, brainstorming, and these are our scripts. These are our CSS files. And if you check out our Kanban board, so these are all our issues and to do, in progress, done, optional. And we also have a roadmap right here of everything that was done.
Hi, so this is our brainstorming of our app, and we use Miro for our board. Over here, we have our finalized ideas. This is where we have our stretch goals, our sprint goals, and our no goals for the app. Over here, we have our 3 persona diagrams, and we want to orientate this journal towards the user and the user experience, and that's why we have the diagrams. To the right of that, we have the project roadmap. It ranges from week 6 to finals week, and every week it gives us an outline of what we should do for the front end team, for the back end team, and for the overall team. And to the right of that, we have the system diagram for our journaling app. Down here, we have our lo-fi sketch. This is the home page. To this, over here is our new note pop-up. This is what a folder looks like. And this is what the task list page looks like. And then to the right of that, we have our mid-fi. This is the home page. This is the new note button. This is the open note page. This is the folder page. And this is what the task page looks like. And down here is what the app looks like on a phone. And for our hi-fi, this is what it looks like in light mode. And down here, this is what it looks like in dark mode. And for the flow of the hi-fi, this is the home page. You could create a new note. You could create a new folder. And inside of the folder, you could have more notes. Then this is what a note looks like. And then you can also go to task. You could create a task. You could edit a task. You could delete a task. And you could also search for a task in the search bar.
Hello, I'm going to demonstrate our CI/CD pipeline and our branch management. So I'm going to just do a push here for a paragraph. We're going to go create a pull request. And what's going to happen is that we have mandatory 2 reviewers that have to look through your branch, make a review, and also approve the request such that we can merge it to a specific branch. So I'm going to request for one of our members, another member, assign myself, choose from our various labels for the specific issue. So I'm just going to do front end, and then we choose this to add to our Kanban bar. That will automatically create an issue. I'm going to do a helpful description. So when we create this pull request, it's going to run our various workflows. So we have 5 workflows. And as you can see, most of these have passed right away. but we have a JS docs automatic documenter. We have a superlinter that specifically targets HTML, CSS, Markdown, JavaScript. We have multiple unit tests as well as end-to-end tests that are all automated. We have a Markdown link checker, and then we also have a image optimizer. So what we can do here is go to our actions, and you can see our various actions here. So we have a Markdown link checker. We have uh, actions for checking main file changes. And we have image compressor, and we have these multiple workflows that run on either pull request or push. And how we do our branch management is that we basically create a branch that has our name and then the feature, and then we merge into backend or front end based off the respective task. And once a sprint ends, we merge everything from front end to main and back end into main if we deem that all the changes are properly done and made. Thank you.
And now I'm going to be showing you how we test our user flow for our website for our notes, folders, and tasks. And that was it using Jest and Puppeteer.
During our project, we implemented several agile practices to ensure effective development and project management. We held 2 meetings each week to discuss the project, address any issues, and share new ideas, making sure to save all notes in the repo for future access. Given the short time frame of our project, we decided on weekly sprints. This allowed us to be more responsive to changes and make quick adjustments if something wasn't going well. We maintained regular feedback loop within our team by hosting sprint reviews and retrospective meetings at the end of each sprint. During these sessions, everyone shared their feedback and we identified areas for improvement. Initially, we faced challenges with an unequal distribution of tasks. To address this, we created a task iteration document for each sprint. These documents clearly outlined the tasks to be completed and assigned them to specific individuals, which significantly improved team morale and productivity. We also noticed a lack of communication between groups working on different tasks. To improve this, we formed dedicated front-end and back-end teams, each with a team lead. We also created separate Slack channels for each of the teams to discuss. The leads coordinated with each other to ensure everyone was connected and up to date on the project. Our primary approach to tackling challenges was through iterative development. If something wasn't working, we would regroup, replan, and adjust our strategy. This flexibility allowed us to continuously improve and adapt as needed. By focusing on these agile practices, we were able to navigate the project's challenges effectively and deliver a high-quality product.
Now we have a couple features that we would like to investigate and implement in the future. One of the features being a display for the time remaining on each task that has a specific deadline. We would like to implement a visual representation of this, whether that be a countdown clock or a progress bar. Another potential feature could be a calendar widget. We would design a tab with an interactive calendar widget that would display all of the notes or tasks due on specific dates. We would allow an input of daily work hours and also have that displayed on the calendar. A login logout feature could also be useful to ensure security and cross-platform accessibility. We would implement user authentication for creating accounts and logging in, and we would have to design the login/sign-in forms and create a user profile page, including all of their information. Lastly, a tentative feature could be note entry templates where the user is able to select pre-made templates for notes, including templates for sprint reviews, stand-up meetings, and brainstorming meetings.